Hello students, we studied that is plant breeding. That was topic improvement in food resources. We have two topics mainly. One is of plant breeding, another is of animal husbandry. We completed that plant breeding that having three parts, that is crop variety improvement, crop production management and crop protection management. Today we discuss that another topic, that is of animal husbandry. Animal husbandry. Animal husbandry. What is the animal husbandry? The branch of agriculture that deals with feeding, shelter, health and breeding of animals, that is known as animal husbandry. The branch of science that deals with the branch of agriculture science or agriculture that we deals with feeding, shelter, health and breeding, that is known as animal husbandry. Why we need the animal husbandry? Why we require the animal husbandry? Animal husbandry required for the milk production. Milk production, for increase eggs production, for labor, for meat and other product of the animals. We increase for the milk production, for egg production, for labor, meat and other product of the animals. We require the animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is of different types. Just rearing, caring of animals, that is of animal husbandry, but it has different parts. Just like cattle farming, fish farming, beekeeping and other things. So first of all, we discuss about the cattle farming. Cattle farming. What is cattle farming? Cattle farming is the branch of animal husbandry in which rearing, caring of cattle for the production of milk and draught. Rearing, caring of the cattle for the production of milk and labor, especially milk and labor, that is known as cattle farming. Especially two types of cattle farming is there. One is of dairy animals, that produce milk, and another is of draught, that used for the labor. Especially females are used for the milk production and their males are used as a labor, and which is known as draught animals, and these are known as dairy animals, or we can say milch animals. So we studied the different types of breeds. First, different types of breeds. Two types of breeds. Firstly, we studied the two cattle basically used for the cattle farming, mainly cow and buffalo. Cow and buffalo. Cow, the name, scientific name is Bos indicus. and Buffalo Bos bubalis. Scientific name of buffalo, that is Bos bubalis. So different types of breed is there. Cow and buffalo. These breeds for milk, like for milk breeds. That is Gir, Sahiwal, and Red Sindhi. These are the milk breeds, and some are drought breeds. Drought, which is utilized for the labor, that is the drought breeds. Nageri, Malvi. These are the drought breeds which is utilized for the labor. These Gir, Sahiwal, and Red Sindhi are the Indian breeds, but some exotic breeds is also there. That exotic breeds, that is Brown Swiss from Switzerland, Jersey from USA, and Holstein from Holland. These are the exotic breeds which are very popular for the high milk production. Like that, some buffalo breeds are there. That is Murrah and Mehsana. These are the buffalo breeds which produce high milk. How we make the breeding of these cattles? The breeding of cattle or method of breeding is of different types. First is of method of breeding. What are the method of breeding? First is of natural methods. Through natural process, we can cross the two different variety of animals and prepare the good variety of animals. Suppose this is one variety and this is another variety. One utilized as a male, other as a female. If we make the cross between them, and in this way we produce good quality breeds. This is natural. Another is of artificial. In artificial variety, we take up the semen of good variety breeds and insert it into another female. That is the artificial method. Take up the semen of good variety males and insert into females of another variety. That is the artificially. But naturally, we cross the mate between two different varieties and obtain good quality breeds, that is of natural methods. So these are the two methods through which we can obtain the good variety of breeds. What are the farm management practice? Farm management practice means what we do to produce good breeds and for the higher production of milk and labor. Farm management practice studied in the following steps. First is a grooming of kettles. Grooming of kettles. Kettles must be regular groomed. Removal of their dust, removal of their hair, removal of their parasite and other things. In this way, they increase the production. If the healthy kettle is there, they will produce healthy product. So grooming of kettles. Then second one is of shelter of kettle. The kettle should be having sufficient or enough space. If they are stay in the proper space, they will be the healthy. Sufficient space or enough space provide. Enough space. Shelter should be clean and dry. Clean and dry. Proper hygienic arrangement means proper disposal of their excreta is there. Cow dung or animal dung will be excreta. Removal time to time. The shelter should be protected from rain, heat and other thunder and storms. So they will not affect it. They have provided enough space, proper clean and dry hygienic place, timely removal of their dung and other things. Then third one is of feeding of kettles. Feeding of kettles. Kettles require two types of food requirements. That is of maintenance requirement. Maintenance and another is of milk producing. Maintenance requirement, that means the help in the maintaining of the proper metabolic activity. Help in the maintaining of proper metabolic activity. Another is of that help in the production of milk. Another is that is production of milk. So two types of food is provided to the kettles. One is of roughage. Roughage. Another is of concentrates. Roughage provided from the fodder, especially for the fodder, just like barsim, cowpea, maize, jowar, hay of the jowar or maize. From these they require the roughage part, and it is help in the proper maintenance, or due to which their proper metabolic activity will be occur by providing roughage. Concentrates require the particular types of animals which produce milk, that they require concentrates, which includes grains and seeds. Grains and seeds that increase, and oil cakes. Oil cakes that increase the milk production. These grains, seed and oil cakes increase their milk production. And if this type of proper feeding is provided to the kettles, that will be healthy and the production will be increased. The next type of management practice is of health care of cattle. Health care, just like we, the cattle is also affected from the different types of disease. Different types of disease. If we protect the cattle from these different types of disease, they will be produce higher production, higher milk. So cattle's health care. So we have how to find out the cattle is sick. So we can see if the cattle is not taking food properly, it means cattle is sick. If they release watery or loose dungs, that means cattle is sick. Their watery eyes is there, that means cattle is sick. Red eyes is there, that means cattle is not proper well. Or cattle is remain in isolate condition. These all things show the cattle is not well. And at that time, find out the reason behind it and remove. That will increase the production. Otherwise, cattle is not proper and that cannot produce much production. For prevention of cattle, the different types of disease of the cattle, we have to make the vaccination. Vaccination is there, just like human vaccination is there, cattle vaccination is also there, that prevent the cattle from the different types of disease. Second is of providing a proper food material that make them healthy and produce good production. Third, proper cleaning, washing is there, due to which we remove their parasites and other things and they produce higher production. So these are the different steps of cattle farming. Firstly, we have to increase their breeds with the help of natural methods and artificial methods, and how to caring and rearing of the cattle is there by grooming of cattle, shelter of the cattle, how shelter is there, feeding of the cattle and health care. So these are the different ways through which we can improve production from the cattle.